The signs are clear, the end is near. Prophecies fulfilled, His word is here. The battle is raging, the darkness grows, but through it all, our Savior shows. Christians, no time to turn back, no time to delay. Stand up and march forward, walk the narrow way. Lift high His banner, let His truth shine bright. We'll overcome the darkness in the Savior's might. Temptations rise, the storms are strong, but in His grace we're carried along. No weapon formed can stand against His name. Victory is